My predecessors were using MYOB Acumatica, but as if it was a much older software. So I was empowered by the CFO to go on a path of discovery and get the best out of MYOB Acumatica.
Kinatico is a technology business that provides compliance solutions to businesses. On the day I started, I walked into a business that had a lot of the tools and none of the output.
It was like as if we had a Ferrari, but we were driving it like a 90s Civic. Data was fragmented, inconsistent. We couldn't make any useful financial analysis. We were doing a lot of work on Excel, trying to compensate this lack of financial analysis. So I deep dived into MYOB Acumatica and realized that actually this is a powerful piece of software. I realized that there was a lot of questions I needed answering. And I needed a partner who could run at the same pace that I was running.
Kinatico knew what MYOB Acumatica's potential was. They just needed the right partner to help achieve that. The big area for them was that they really wanted to eliminate manual processing and real-time reporting.
When we found the right partner with AlphaBiz, the transformation accelerated significantly. We started using key features within MYOB Acumatica to be able to produce the kind of data and therefore the reports that we wanted at the end. We closed our books for revenue in 3 business days instead of 10, which is a fantastic feat. Instead of an Excel-based depreciation register, we brought that into MYOB Acumatica and made it within the system itself. We use segment keys to be able to tap into department reporting, product reporting. We cleaned up the chart of accounts from thousands of lines to just 100 lines. Once we increased our data efficiencies and reporting efficiencies, we were truly partners of the business to support the board and the execs to make strategical decisions. We were right there with the strategic transformation that the company was going under.
Everything has to come back to the numbers and our objectives of accretive increased revenue that we have across the board. Having those systems behind the scenes like MYOB Acumatica that continue to drive that clarity of information is fundamental.